Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker from Cultivating Learning. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do a very quick and simple addition of the numbers that are in a cell. So for this episode, we are using the lunch count tab at the bottom of your practice spreadsheet. So make sure you click on that, and you should see which lunches the kids have chosen. If I really only have a class of 9, I probably would not digitize this. I might do it by hand. But if I'm the cafeteria manager and I need to figure out how many peanut butter and jelly sandwiches I need for the whole school, this is going to be the best way to do it. So I want to make sure that I am not accidentally putting the formula in one of the kids' spaces. So I'm going to click on the line underneath the last student. I might even colorize this using the paint bucket up top just to make sure that I put my answers in the right place. So I want to highlight the peanut butter and jelly column, and this intersecting cell is where I want the formula to go. Now, I could memorize the formula, and if you use it a lot, you probably will. But what I really need here is at the end of my toolbar, because my screen is not full size, I'm going to have to click on these 3 dots right here, and I'm looking for the sigma symbol for functions. Now, if I maximize my screen, the sigma is automatically going to be there. So back to here, I click on my cell down here, and then I'm going to hit the sigma button for functions, and I'm going to choose sum because sum means to add. So I'm going to click on that, and the computer automatically puts the formula in for me. All I need to do while my cursor is blinking in between those parentheses is click on the first cell that I want to be added and drag down to the last cell. That's all I have to tell the computer. Now, it is key that you do not use your cursor to click somewhere else before you hit enter. So hit either your return key or your enter key, and that will finalize your function or formula. So I'm going to do it again. This time I'm going to do hot lunch. I click inside the intersecting cell. I go up to my sigma button. I choose sum. I click on the first student, and I go all the way down to the last student, and then I immediately hit enter or return.